Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm the big dog in the room, and this is Big Dog Still Gaming. This week, Microsoft launched a website to explain its Blizzard acquisition. Perhaps due to all the scrutiny the company is receiving over the acquisition here in the US, the UK, and pretty much everywhere except for maybe Saudi Arabia and now Brazil. Brazil's approval of the acquisition comes on the heels of a complaint by industry leader and competitor Sony. Sony filed a complaint arguing that Microsoft acquiring Activision Blizzard and Call of Duty with it would be anti-competitive. According to an article released by Rant earlier this week, Sony feels Call of Duty is just too popular and would influence consumers' console choice. To be fair, along with this acquisition also comes Tony Hawk Pro Skater and the extremely popular Overwatch series. However, when you consider the recent acquisitions by Sony, whom by the way has been aggressively acquiring studios around the world over the past few years, their most recent acquisitions include Savage Games, a studio based out of Germany, the studio formerly known as Stadia, now rebranded as Haven Studios based in Montreal, and perhaps the most notable acquisition, Bungie, which will add the Destiny and Halo franchises to their already extensive portfolio. It's really hard to empathize with their complaint. Anti-competitive? Really? I would say the competition is just heating up. According to an article released back in July by Rant, Sony is looking to purchase Square Enix, the company responsible for the Tomb Raider and Final Fantasy franchises. Needless to say, things are getting really interesting around here. There are tons of implications for gamers around the world. How will the landscape be affected as the owners of the two major consoles in gaming start gaining exclusive rights to the most popular games in the world? Would you buy an Xbox because Call of Duty is no longer available on PlayStation, or vice versa? How will this competition affect the PC world? It's going to be real interesting to see how things develop over the next few years. All I can say is I'm here for it all. This is a topic I will definitely be following closely. Let me know your thoughts on this issue. Are you prepared to live in a world where your choice in console can seriously limit your gaming options? I don't know if I like the idea of that. Let me know down in the comments below. That's it for this one, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell. Again, I am the big dog in the room, and this is Big Dog Still Gaming. See you guys on the next one.